Hello and welcome to Delectable Flavors. In today's recipe, I will show you how you can make icing sugar using only 2 ingredients. For this recipe, you will need 2 tablespoons of cornstarch as well as 2 cups of regular granulated sugar. So first what you're going to do is sieve your sugar. Now that I have sieved my granulated sugar, I'm going to add my 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. The cornstarch will act as a binding agent to help your icing sugar form together. Now we're going to give this all a good sieve. Now what we're going to do is give this a good blend. Now we are going to give this a blend. Make sure to only pulse it. Do not blend it on high speed as the sugar will burn. My sugar is pretty powdery. I just need it to stick more like icing sugar does. So I'm going to add a little more cornstarch. You can totally skip this step or you can add more cornstarch than I do. Just keep adding as you go because every blender is different. I'm now going to check if it's good. I think it is very good. So I'm now going to transfer it into my container. And I do have a bowl underneath the container as if any spills, I can just collect it in the bowl. Our icing sugar is now complete. As you can see, the cornstarch made it very intact, and now it is grouping itself to each other very nicely, but not too much that it's starting to clump up. And our icing sugar can be used for royal icing if you're planning on decorating cookies. And I've left a link in the description box on how you can make royal icing. If you're making this for cakes and trying to make American buttercream, I've also left a link in the description box on how you can make American buttercream as well. You can also use icing sugar to make royal icing and then make sprinkles. And if you are interested in how to make sprinkles, I've also left a link in the description box on how you can make that as well. Now our beautiful substitute for our icing sugar is now ready and it can be used in any recipe you like. If you did like this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for a new recipe every week. Till the next recipe, bye-bye.